Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Likely Noor. I carry 6 plus years of corporate experience, and in this channel I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. So if you are interested in any of these, then consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the type of leaves you get in a private company or specifically an IT industry. We shall also discuss whether they are paid or unpaid leave and what kind of approvals they need to go through. So stay tuned on this video and watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any information, and smash that like button if you like watching me speak. First of all, let me tell you that all leaves are subjected to approvals. The approving authority could be the reporting manager, the HR, the business head, so on and so forth, depending upon the duration and the type of leave. The fundamentals of the leaves are coherent with the human right policy of the country and the state. However, the companies can tweak the duration and the approval hierarchy according to their internal HR policy. So the bottom line which I'm trying to drive, that it may vary from company to company, but the baseline would be the same. Alright, let's get started. So the first category which I am going to cover is the unplanned leave. So unplanned leaves are the one which comes during an emergency situation and you do not get the time to inform or plan in advance. The first one in the unplanned category is sick leave. As it is rightly named that you can avail this leave when you are sick. This is also termed as emergency leaves because sickness cannot be planned. Most of the company allows sick leave without any approval. However, if you take sick leave for more than 3 days consecutively, then you have to provide a medical document or a doctor's prescription. The total count of sick leaves which you get in a year in most of the company ranges between 10 to 15. Of late, I have seen some startups rolling the policy of unlimited sick leaves, where the employee can take unlimited sick leaves. There would be certain terms and conditions governing it, of which I'm not very sure about. Sick leaves can never be encashed and it can never be carry forwarded. If you are not able to exhaust all these 10-12 leaves in a year, it gets expired. The second leave which comes in the category of unplanned leave is bereavement leave. This is a special kind of a leave to mourn the death of an immediate family member. Leave days ranges from 15 days to 45 days depending upon the severity of the loss. It is again a paid leave. One disclaimer which I would like to give is that not all companies provide bereavement leave. I have mostly seen that these leaves are provided in an MNC and especially a product-based MNC. However, some companies which does not have this special leave exclusively does allow their employee to take an extended leave against a loss of pay. Moving to the next section, which is of planned leave. The planned leaves are something for which you need to take an approval because you have planned it in prior. The approval hierarchy depends upon the duration of the leave, but it is mostly the reporting manager. Some company have only one type of planned leave. They might name it to be an annual leave or a casual leave. If it is clubbed together, it would be in the range of 25 to 30 and it might be called casual leave or annual leave. However, some companies bifurcate it into casual and annual differently. So if it is bifurcated, casual leaves are usually in the range of 10 to 15 and annual leaves are in the range of 20 to 25. These leaves are carry forwarded and are entitled to encashment. What is carry forwarding and encashment? Carry forwarding means, let's suppose you got 30 leaves and if you are not able to take all the 30 leaves in a year, the unused leave will be carry forwarded in the next year. So next year you get a new bunch of 30 leaves and the unused leave of this year. What is encashment? Encashment is, let's suppose you have 30 leaves and you have utilized only 10 leaves. So for the remaining unused 20 leaves, you get paid. In this situation where the companies have bifurcated the leaves into casual and annual, then casual leaves are mostly not entitled for carry forwarding or encashments. Again, both type of leaves are paid leaves for a full-time employee. Okay, moving to the second category of planned leave, which is a special type of leave, maternity or paternity leave. Maternity leave is given to a woman before or after a childbirth. It is only paid for the first or the second time mothers and not after that. Mothers who are giving birth to a child, surrogate mother, commissioning mother, all are entitled to this maternity leave. The leave dates range from 12 weeks to 26 weeks, but most of the companies provide 26 full weeks of maternity leave. In fact, some companies extend this 26 weeks of leave to further 4 more weeks against any medical document. Some company also offers an extension of 1 month or so against a loss of pay. For paternity leave, an employee who is going to become a father can take 15 days of this special leave either before the childbirth or during the childbirth or up to 6 months after the childbirth. Moving to the third category of planned leave is sabbatical leave. Sabbatical leaves are unpaid leaves in private companies. It can be availed from 4 weeks to 24 weeks, which is like 1 month to 6 months time period. It can be availed basis a personal reason like mental health or any other medical condition. In Western countries, people are entitled to take a sabbatical leave quoting the reason of professional upgradation also, but sadly in India people don't consider that. This leave is subjected to lot of approval right from your reporting manager to your HR and your business head. So it is little difficult to avail sabbatical leave. The fourth leave in the category of planned leave is leave without pay. This leave can be availed if all the categories of the planned leaves are exhausted. Leave without pay is again a special kind of a leave and it cannot be availed at a drop of a hat. It is not approved either that easily. With this we come to the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed the video and got loads of new information. If yes, then press that like button so that it helps the video reach to a larger audience. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, good luck and stay tuned.